Okay, now let's try another question. This question is also taken from SPM. This is SPM 2022. A district council construct a parabolic steel frame to hang a banner. Diagram 3 shows the front view of the steel frame. A rectangular banner ABCD will be hung at points C and D such that CD is horizontal. The height of AB from the ground level is 1 meter. So it means that here is 1 meter. Okay. The edges A and B are tied vertically to the point G and H respectively. It is given that the gradient functions of the curve is 6 minus 2x. This is the curve. So it means that dy by dx is equal to 6 minus 2x. And the distance of GH, the distance G to H, which is over here. So the distance GH is actually the same as the distance AB. So this is 2 meter. 2p meter. So this is 2p meter. Okay, so for the first part, we want to show that the distance EH, E to H, is 3 plus p meter. Okay, since that we are given the gradient function, which is dy by dx is equal to 6 minus 2x, we know that maximum point, for maximum point, the dy by dx will be equal to 0, right? So dy by dx equal to 0. This means that 6 minus 2x is equal to 0. So I want to find the x coordinate here. This is the maximum point. So now I want to find the x coordinate. 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3, right? So now I know here is actually 3. Okay, since this is a parabolic curve, so we know that the left hand side and right hand side, they are symmetrical to each other. So if this is 2p, here must be p, and here will be another p meter. So this is p meter. Okay, let me put a parenthesis. Let's see, p meter. Okay, but I think, in my opinion, the question should give us more information so that we know where is the y-axis. But the question asks to show that the distance of EH is 3 plus p meter. So we know that the y-axis should be here. If the y-axis is not here, the x coordinate here is 3, and this is p meter, then the distance of E and H will not be 3 plus p meter. Okay, let me draw another y-axis for you. Let's say, now the y-axis is over here. So let's say the y-axis is over here. Okay, this is 3 meter, this is p meter, right? But if the question asks you to find E and their H, this here is 3 plus p meter, and we need to add the length here also. So there will the distance of EH will no longer be 3 plus p meter. Okay, so in this question, the y-axis is actually over here. Okay, if the y-axis is over here, from here, this is 0, right? To here, this is 3 meter plus p meter. So the distance of EH is equal to 3 plus p meter. Okay, EH is equal to 3 plus p divided by 2. Sorry, not p divided by 2, 2p divided by 2. 2p divided by 2. So it will be 3 plus p meter. Okay, show it. Oops. This is the answer for part A. Okay, now let's look at the A2. Hence, we want to express the area L of the banner in terms of P. Okay. I know the length here is 2p meter, but I don't know here. So how to get here? First, I want to find the y coordinate here, and then don't forget to minus the 1 here, because I only need the distance here. This is the length of the banner, this is the width of the banner. Okay, so now let's try this y coordinate first. The x coordinate here, this one is 3 minus p. The x coordinate here is 3 plus p. So you can use 3 minus p or 3 plus p to find the y coordinate. Both will give you the same answer. To get the y coordinate here, first I need the original functions. So given by the question, dy by dx is equal to 6 minus 2x. So how do we get back the original function? We need to integrate this. So y is equal to, I'm going to integrate this 6 minus 2x with respect to x. So y is equal to 6x minus 2x squared over 2 plus c. So y is equal to 6x minus x squared plus c. Since that the y-axis is over here, right? So we know that the c is actually equal to 0. So y is equal to 6. Let me rearrange the term. Y is equal to negative x squared plus 6x. Okay, now we can use this function to help me to get the y coordinate here, when the x coordinate is 3 minus p or the x coordinate is 3 plus p. You can use this one or this one, which will both will give you exactly the same answer. Okay, let me just use this one. When x is equal to 3 plus p. Okay, y is equal to negative. Remember to put a parenthesis. 3 plus p squared plus 6x, 3 plus p. Okay, now just do the expansion for this one. 9 plus 6p plus p squared plus 18 plus 6p. Okay, let me erase this one first. Now open up this parenthesis, negative 9 minus 6p minus p squared plus 18 plus 6p. Okay, so this is negative p squared, negative 6p plus 6p, no more p. So this 18 minus 9, you will get plus 9. So from here, we know that the y coordinate here is actually negative p squared plus 9, or you can write 9 minus p squared. Now I know this, the y coordinate here is 9 minus p squared. Okay, but you have to be more careful. In order to get the length here, you need to take 9 minus p squared minus the 1 here. Okay? Okay, now we got the y coordinate of this point, so we can start to calculate the area. Okay, area is equal to the length, which is 2p, times the width. Okay, but you have to be more careful here. This is 9 minus p squared, and don't forget you have to minus 1. Okay, just do some expansion over here. So this is, let me simplify the expression inside the parentheses first. 2p, 9 minus 1 is equal to 8 minus p squared. Okay. Okay, the unit here is in cubic, not cubic, square meter. Okay, now let's go to the last part. If the cost to make the banner is 40 ringgit per square meter, calculate the total cost to the nearest RM to make the banner such that its area is maximum. Now, this is the area of the banner in terms of P. So first, we need to know what's the P that we need to use, right? So the question wants us to find the cost when the banner, the area of the banner is maximum. So still remember, how do we get maximum area? So let me differentiate this one first. dl by dp is equal to 16 minus 6p squared. So for maximum area, here will be equal to 0, right? So 16 minus 6 6b squared is equal to 0. So 6b squared is equal to 16. So p squared is equal to 16 over 6. So this is actually equal to 8 over divided by 2 divided by 2 as 8 over 3. Okay, so p will be equal to square root of 8 over 3. I will just take the positive value because p is a length, right? So definitely it will be positive. So just press your calculator. Square root of 8 over 3 is equal to 1.633. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here, total cost, I'm going to substitute the value of p here into here. So I will be able to get the area, and 1 square meter is equal to 40 ringgit. I will be using this value to times 40. Okay, so 16 times 1.633 minus 2 times 1.633 cubed. This whole thing we multiply by 40. Okay, just press your calculator. Okay, if we round off it to the nearest ringgit, then it will be Rm 697 ringgit. Okay, that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.